Milwaukee approach is kind of 6146, 3.3, climbing 4,000. We got a flat failure. And I guess I do need to declare an emergency, but we're going to come back around for another approach here.
Sound 6146, Roger. I'll start taking that information for you. And would you like delayed vectors, or what are you looking for?
Honestly, this is going to take long enough. Probably just at least outside of Vegas.
Okay, so you want to come right back in, you said?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, Wisconsin's 6146, fighting 360.
Heading 360, Wisconsin 6146.
Okay, 10-4 Golf Lima, amend your altitude, maintain 6,000 and fly heading 330.
1,000 and 330 on the heading, 7-4 Golf Lima.
10-4 Golf Lima, and speed will be your discretion.
Discretion, 7-4 Golf Lima.
Blue Streak 5390, keep the speed up, contact tower.
Speed up, contact tower, Blue Streak 5390.
Aircraft 6146, say again the nature of the emergency, and then if you can give me the other info too, please.
We have 43, 46 souls on board. Nature of emergency is a flat failure. We've got to fail to 30 degrees. We should just be coming back here to land.
Fuel on board?
Fuel on board is currently 1,900 pounds.
All right, thank you. And fly heading of 060, and descend to maintain 3,000.
Heading 060 down to 3,000. 6146.
Wisconsin 6146 here, following an RJ9 on a 4-mile straight in out of 2,200.
I believe we have inside Wisconsin 6146.
6146, follow that traffic, clear visual approach runway 25 left, and you can take as much space as you need to get in.
Our clear visual 25 left, Wisconsin 6146.
Milwaukee, low, Wisconsin 6263, leveling 1212 though.
Air Wisconsin 6263, Milwaukee approach, altimeter 2971.
71, thanks.
Southwest 1202, you can expect some vectoring. We'll get you in as soon as I can.
Roger that, Southwest 1202.
10-4 Golf Lima, same to be for you also. Air Wisconsin 6146, advise turning base.
We will advise Wisconsin 6146.
Milwaukee approach, Skywest 5575, we have Bravo.
5575, Milwaukee approach, altimeter 2971. You can expect the visual approach only 25 left.
25 left, visual approach, Skywest 5575.
There's 10-4 Golf Lima, turn right, heading 160.
160, 7-4 Golf Lima.
Southwest 1202, just going to maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, Southwest 1202.
Air Wisconsin 6263, clear direct Green Bay.
Green Bay, Wisconsin 6263.
Approach Wisconsin, 6146, Eastern Base.
Now contact tower. Have a good day.
Over tower, thanks.
Skywest 5575, reduce speed to 210, 210 or less. There's an aircraft inbound on an emergency. We'll see how quick we get the runway back.
Roger that. 210, we're slowing right now. Skywest 5575.
Southwest 1202, turn left heading 300 and direct 50 when able.
Turn 300, direct 50 when able, Southwest 1202.
Alright, 74 Golf Lima, make a left turn heading 360.
So heading 360, 74 Golf Lima.
Skywest 575, descend maintain 4000 and turn right heading 040.
4000, 040, Skywest 5575.
Good morning, UPS 541 Heavy is 3.8, climbing 5,150, heading inside.
UPS 541 Heavy, Milwaukee departure, your radar contact. Clear direct perfect, climb via the Sid, except maintain 13,000, 13,000.
Climb via the Sid, except maintain 13,000, direct to perfect intersection, UPS 541 Heavy.
74 Golf Lima, continue left turn heading 280, direct 50 when able.
Left 280, then direct 60, 74 Golf Lima.
Southwest 1202, I can clear you for the approach at 4,000 if you want, otherwise if you want a different approach I can give that to you instead of the 4600.
No, that'll work at 4,000, Southwest 1202.
Southwest 1202, 4 miles from 50, maintain 4,000, cleared out of that Yankee runway 25 left approach.
4,000 till established, clear for the RNAV Yankee 25 left, Southwest 1202.
74 Golf Lima, descend and maintain 2,900.
Okay, 2,900, 74 Golf Lima.
Approach Skywest 5575. Do you know how long that approach is going to be for us to come in?
Maybe about 15 to 20 miles.
Roger.
UPS 541 Heavy, contact Chicago Center 123.82, 2382, good day.
2382 UPS 541 Heavy, so on.
Southwest 1202, reduce to the 170, 170.
170, Southwest 1202.
74 Golf Lima, reduce speed to 170.
74 Golf Lima.
Milwaukee, hello, Skywest 2897, 13,000.
Southwest 1202, it looks like everything's good with that aircraft on the ground now. They're just inspecting the runway, so hopefully when you get close, they'll give you a clearance to go in.
Roger, Southwest 1202.
Southwest 1202, contact tower now, have a good day.
First tower, Southwest 1202, good day.
Lima, just going to maintain 2,500 and speed 170.
70 on the speed, 2,500, 7 for Golf Lima.
Some for Golf Lima, you're following a 737 just coming over to the marker now out of 2,800. Report him or the field insight.
35, good night, Sky West 2897.
Got the field, negative contact on the aircraft for Golf Lima.
1000.
Alright, 7-4 Golf Lima, roger, cleared visual approach, only 25 left. Somebody else call Milwaukee.
Hi there, sir. Sky West 2897, 13,000.
Sky West 2897, Milwaukee approach altimeter 2971. Sky West 5575, turn left heading 360, maintain 2,500.
Left turn 360, 2,500, Sky West 5575.